Assalamu alaikum. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Welcome back to Sharif's Kitchen. Today we will see how to cook fish curry. This is by far the best fish curry that I've ever cooked. The detailed ingredients with these measurements are listed in the description box below. Check them out. Now let's see how to cook this amazing fish curry. Now you can cook this with any fish, but today we have taken ikan susu, that's milk fish, 1 kilo of that soaked in tamarind water. You would probably need some kind of a vegetable, so we have taken brinjal as well. That's optional, by the way. And let's start with 4 tablespoons of coconut oil. If you don't like coconut oil, then you can use any oil of your choice. I personally like that smell and flavor, so I've used that. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of fenugreek seed, 1 teaspoon of peppercorn, and half a tablespoon of cumin seeds. Now, with that, we are going to add some garlic cloves. Now, without just adding garlic cloves as it is, I'm going to pound it, crush them a little bit, and then add them because that's going to give you an amazing flavor. So add it straight to the oil, saute it for a while, and then add your shallots. It's very important that you add shallots for this preparation because that's going to give you a good flavor. But I don't have enough shallots today, so I've used about 2 medium-sized onions as well so that I can get the gravy very thick. You can do it this way, or you can just get shallots, like about 20-25 of them, and then cook them well. Now you can see that the shallots are translucent. At this point, you can add some curry leaves and about 3 chillies. Saute them for a while and then add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of red Kashmiri chili powder. Mix them around well, and as usual, once you've added Kashmiri red chili powder, make sure you add some kind of a liquid or tomato. So I've taken about 5 to 6 medium-sized tomatoes, pulsed. The reason why I wanted it to be pulsed is because that will make the cooking a lot more faster. Add salt to your taste and cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes. And once you see that the tomato and the onions are nicely mashed, that's when you want to add some masala to it. So to this, we are going to add 1.5 tablespoon of fish masala powder. This is a store-bought fish masala powder, and also 2.5 tablespoon of curry powder. Once again, this is again a store-bought curry powder, so you can get that from any Indian stores. Mix them up and cook for about 2 minutes, and make sure the flame is kept really low. I'm cooking the entire dish almost in medium-low flame. And once this is cooked a little bit, then add your vegetables to it. Again, this is optional, but it's going to give you a good taste to it. After cooking the vegetables for about 2 minutes, add the tamarind water. Now this is the same tamarind water that we've soaked our fish in. Now what I did is I removed the fish into a plate and got the water into a cup and added it to it. Now when I checked the thickness of the curry, it was pretty thick, so I added about half a cup of water and cooked the vegetables in that liquid. So close the lid, bring your heat back high and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, and that should be enough for the brinjal to be cooked. Once you check that the brinjal is cooked, then you can add the fish slowly. Now that is where you need to be extremely careful. When you add the fish, low down the flame and slowly and gently add the fish one by one. After you add the fish, do not stir the curry. Just be very gentle, push them in slowly and let them cook in that heat. From here onwards, make sure that the flame is kept on low, and you will cook the fish for about 3 to 4 minutes on low flame. Be very gentle when you use a spatula. It's actually recommended to swirl the pot instead of using the spatula. Cover it and cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. Now you can see that oil has completely separated and it's cooked. The fish is cooked. I can show you how the fish is, but be very gentle when carrying it. The fish is nicely cooked. At this point, you can sprinkle some coriander leaf, and that's enough. Your fish curry is now ready. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Try this recipe. Please leave your feedback and comments in the comment section below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed yet. I will see you soon in another video. Until then, Assalamu alaikum. Have a good day.